Hello dear students, I'm Meenakshi Kothiyal, your computer teacher, and I welcome you again to the online video class of computers. Children, in our previous video, we have started our lesson number 1, that is Introduction to Computers. Okay children, now before proceeding to our rest of the topic, let us first take a quick recap of what we have studied till now. Now children, we have studied that computer is an electronic machine. Now children, what is electronic? Yes, electronic means the computer works on electricity. That is why it is called electronic machine. Now children, we have also studied the uses of computer. That it stores lot of information. We can store lot of information in a computer. Like we can store songs. We can store pictures on it. We can store photos on it. So there are a lot of informations which we can store on a computer. Next, we watch movies on it. Yes, children, we can watch movies on or videos on a computer. So this is also one of a use of it. Next, we can play games. Now children, nowadays children can play different type of games on computers. Next, we can draw pictures on it. Yes children, with the help of paint software, you can draw pictures on your computer screen. Next, we can send and receive messages. Now children, how can you send and receive messages through computer? Yes children, through email. Yes, through email we can send and receive messages. Like nowadays your parents are sending your homeworks, your assignments to us through mails, and we also give them the reply that we have received their assignments. So that is how we can send and receive messages through computer. We can do it with mobile also. Mobile is also a machine and computer is also a machine. So computer can also be used for this purpose. Okay children, this much we have studied in our previous video. Next, what we have studied about the differences between human beings and computer. That how a computer is different from human being. So let us also take a quick recap of that topic also. Here in this paragraph, we have studied that human beings and computer are different from each other. Now how? See children, computer is a wonderful machine. It can work faster. But we humans also do work, but we cannot work faster as compared to computer. So there is a first difference between a human being and a computer. Computer works very fast. Humans cannot work as fast as a computer. So children, this is the first difference, that human beings cannot work fast, but a computer can work fast. Yes children. Next, computers never make any mistake. Humans can make mistakes. Children, we humans can make mistakes. We can do mistakes while doing some work, but a computer cannot do any mistake, okay, unless we are giving them the wrong instructions. If we are giving them the right instructions, the computer will work according to it. But if we are giving them the wrong instruction, it will not provide us the desired result. So it is not the fault of a computer, it is fault of ours. So computer never make mistakes. We humans can make mistakes. Next, a computer never gets tired. Humans get tired. After doing a lot of work, we humans get tired. We cannot work the entire day. But a computer can work for so long, from morning till evening it can work, but it will not get fatigued. It will not get tired. So there is also, this is also one of the important difference between a computer and human beings. Okay. Next, it does not forget any information stored in it. Humans can forget the information very often. Now children, as you are not able to learn the question answers till the last breath, do you know the answers? Have you learned the answers from the KG? What you have learned there? So human beings cannot learn and cannot store information for so long. But A computer can store information and can learn, it never forgets any information which is stored inside it. We humans have forgot. Often we humans have forgot whatever has been, whatever we have learned. Sometimes we forgot it. But a computer cannot forget any information which is stored into it. Okay. Next. A computer cannot take its own decisions. It always needs instructions from humans. Humans can take their own decision. Now children, we humans have brain. We humans know what to do, when to do, how to do. But a computer does not know how to do the things. It only requires human instructions. Only when we give the instructions, then only the machine will work. Otherwise, it will not use its brain of its own. It will work according to the instructions given by the humans. So children, computer cannot decide of its own, but we humans can decide of our own. We know how to do the things, when to do the things, okay, and why to do the things. So there is a difference between human and computers. No doubt, computer is a wonderful machine. It is a very great invention. Okay, but still there are some differences between a computer and human beings. Okay. Now children, this much we have studied in our previous video. Now in this video, we will continue with the rest of the topic. The next topic is types of computers. Okay. Now let us study about the types of computers. So children, next topic is types of computers. So children, there are 3 types of computers. One is desktop computer, second is laptop computer, and third is palm top. Okay, these are the 3 different types of computers. Okay, now the first computer is desktop computer. Now children, as the name is itself suggests that it can be kept on desk. It is kept on desk. We require a table on which we can keep it. So desktop computers in which keyboard is there, mouse is there, a CPU box is there. Okay, so it is a very big computer. Okay, it is big in size. You all must have seen desktop computers in your school lab also. Okay, now children, next is laptop computers. I'll show you. See children. See children, these are the laptops. Okay, these are the laptop computers. Okay, now they are also small. See, these are the laptops. These are small in size. Okay, now children, these laptops can be carried from one place to another. We can carry it from our home to school. I can carry it from school to home. Okay, so it can be carried from one place to another, but a desktop computer cannot be easily carried from one place to another. Okay children, now laptop computer, lap means gold. Okay, lap means gold, on thighs. It is kept on our laps. We can keep this laptop on our lap also. Okay, and it is small in size. It can be carried from one place to another children. Okay. Now, next is palm top. It can fit into the palm of our hand. This is our palm. Okay, I'll show you a palm top. See children. See. This is a palm top. Okay, this is a palm top. We can carry it. We can keep it on our palm, on our hand. Okay, and it is very small in size. It is kind of a tab. Okay, so children, now you must have understood the difference between the laptop computer and palm top computer. Okay, now desktop computer can be kept on desk. Laptop computer can be kept on our lap. Palm top computer can be kept on palm of our hand. These are very small in size. Okay children, so these are the 3 types of computers. Okay. Now children, the very first computer, It was developed in around 1940 and size of it was as large as classroom. Okay, it is a kind of a big computers, as they are the size of a room. Okay, they occupies a full room. We need a lot of space to keep them. But nowadays, in today's world, computers are getting very small. Okay, we can hold them, we can carry them from one place to another. So the very first computer was developed around the year 1940 and it was as large as classroom. Its size was as large as classroom. Okay, children. So now, children, this is the end of your chapter. We have come to an end of this chapter. Okay, now we have studied the introduction part. What is a computer? Okay, next we have studied the differences between a computer and human beings. Okay, next we have studied today. What we have studied today? Yes, we have studied the types of computers. Desktop, laptop, palm top. Okay, children. So now what you will do, you will go through this chapter and you will read this chapter of your own. Okay, children. Watch the video very carefully. Whatever has been taught to you, you have to learn this. Okay, you have to go through the chapters, read the pages. Okay, now also learn the spellings. Okay, of this types of computers. Now, children, we are done with this chapter. So in my next video, we will be discussing the question answers, the exercise question answers. Okay, but before that, I will give you some homework in Padhe Bharat. Okay, and you have to find out the answers of those questions. Rest, we will do a revision kind of in our next video. I'll tell you the answers of the questions, and whatever you have done wrong in your notebook, you will just correct it. But in our next video, before that, you have to find out the answers of your own. You have to go through the video, you have to go through the chapter, you have to find out the answer. Do not use internet and be regular in sending mails, in sending your homework through mails. Okay, children, you all must have know my ID. This is my ID, DVPSJOHRI 1989 computer 125@gmail.com. See, children, this is my mail ID. You have to type it very correctly. Letter to letter you have to match. And small letters you have to type, numbers you have to type correctly. Then only your mail will reach to me. Okay, so be careful while sending your mail. That they have sent the mails, but the teacher has not received it. It is only because you have not typed the mail ID correctly. Okay, so just be careful while sending the mails to teachers. Okay, children. So I'll take your leave now. This is enough for today in this video. I'll be taking your leave. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home.